If a man knows more than others, he becomes lonely. Thinking is difficult. That's why most people judge. The shoe that fits one person pinches another. There is no recipe for living that suits all cases. For better to come, good must stand aside. The greatest tragedy of the family is the unlived lives of the parents. You are not what happened to you. You are what you chose to become. To ask the right question is already half the solution of a problem. Even a happy life cannot be without a measure of darkness, and the word happy would lose its meaning if it were not balanced by sadness. You are what you do, not what you say you'll do. The privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are. Man needs difficulties. They are necessary for health. He who is afraid needs dependence, as a weakened man needs support. Life really does begin at 40. Up until then, you are just doing research. If you are a gifted person, it doesn't mean you got something. It means you can give something away. Where love rules, there is no will to power, and where power predominates, love is lacking. The one is the shadow of the other. The greatest and most important problems of life are all fundamentally insoluble. They can never be solved, but only outgrown. Knowing your own darkness is the best method for dealing with the darkness of other people. People will do anything, no matter how absurd, to avoid facing their own souls. Shame is a soul-eating emotion. A man who has not passed through the inferno of his passions has never overcome them. People grow like plants, some in light, others in shade. There are many who need shade, not light. Depression is like a woman in black. If she turns up, don't shoo her away. Invite her in, offer her a seat. Treat her like a guest and listen to what she wants to say. Every human life contains a potential. If that potential is not fulfilled, then that life was wasted. Don't hold on to anyone who's leaving. Otherwise, you won't meet the one who's coming. If an attractive woman is single, it's because she's smarter than everyone else. The meeting of two personalities is like the contact of two chemical substances. If there is any reaction, both are transformed.